Hi guys, this is Olga. In this video we'll talk about how to add new images to your project. In previous video we worked with UI image view and I add image because I have it in project, and now I don't have any, as you also don't have any. And then you try to add image where is nothing in this list. You can write something, but you see just the arrow question mark. Okay, we don't have any image and we want to add new. For that, let's go to the assets catalog. This is a place where your icons will store. For now, it have app icon template. It's a place to add your application icon. It will show on iPhone desktop, and the user will see the before launch your app. For now, it's also empty, and we can add new image set. For that, we can just choose any PNG image and drag it. Just drag it to this folder, and now it is here. You can see that there are 3 squares, 1x, 2x, 3x, and our image is 1x. And what does it mean? All that stuff is going from that our apps is based on points. Let's go back to main storyboard. When we talk with you about position, we see these values like x, y. This is not physical pixels off screen, this is points. Points is a system which is used inside developer tools. It is valuable only for developers, and different screen have different point size. But points is what you use when you work with interface builder or code to make your interface. And it has a big value long ago when it was iPhone 2, 3, 3GS. It was just points and they were rendered in 1x, but later when Apple presented Retina screens, it became 2x density, and even later it was 3x. So the developer size is in points, and it rendered with some multiplier to pixels. And that is why we need different multipliers for our images and different image resolution. So basically 1x, if you have any 1x image, will be sized, I don't know, 20x20 pixels, then 2x should be 40 to 40, and 3x is 60 to 60. For now, you actually don't need 1x because it is only very old devices, and if you add to your project only 3x, iOS by itself can render other size, but it's better to add 2x and 3x. You can just ignore 1x sized images. And I'll show you a tool which you can use to generate your images. Let's go to appicon.com, and here we can generate app icon and image sets. Let's for now add a new icon. You can add any image you want. I want to Swift PNG, you already see it. Okay, I added it. I select whether it's 3x or 4x. In my case, it is 3x, and I can choose here if I want to add iOS and Android. We don't need Android for now, so just add iOS and press generate. After you download it, it will be image set zip. We open it and we see these 3 images: Swift PNG, add 2x, add 3x. This is a name convention which is used to system may understand what we want to add 3 images of different dimension. You can just drag it into our image. Here it is. It was our previous, it was just named Swift, and here is our new. Let it also be Swift. It has it 1x, 2x, and 3x. And then we go back to storyboard, open our image view, and now we want to set image. We just choose Swift. There is no add 2x, add 3x. System understands that it is one image, and it will be used to render on different screen size. You choose Swift, and you see it looks not very good. That's all because of content mode. For now it's scaled to fill here on the right in the view section, and we want it to be aspect fit. You can try any of them to see how it will look. Okay, and we'll choose aspect fit. Let's also add icon to our application. It is good to have icon. We already have app icon and it is all empty. We can also generate icons in this service. For that, go to the app icon sections and you need to drag image here. For that, I have Swift icon PNG. It should be maximum available size. Here it is. Make sure you have the same size when you upload it, and you can check if you want iPhone, iPad, Watch, Mac, Android. For now, I need only iPhone. Then generate, and here it is. They have assets and app icon set, and I can just drag it to my Xcode here. I choose all the folder, I drag it, and here it create new. We don't need this one, like app icon. I have app icon 1. Let's change its name for app icon, and now let's run it on the simulator and see what happens. Here it is, our image, and if we go to home screen, for that press Command Shift H, you see command screen and you see our brand new application icon.